30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy City, she throwing me kisses, no.
Oh, excuse me. One thing about it, and two things for sure. If I don't give you any other advice in your life, protect your peace. Protect your peace. When people don't want to be loving, be caring, be sensitive, be just nice, protect your peace. If you have to remove yourself from that situation. There's a lot of times people only think about themselves. They never think about others. They always think about how they feel. They never consider other feelings. And honestly, it's not okay. It's not okay. So if I don't tell y'all nothing else, protect your peace. By the way, it's your girl Ashley Bree. I don't know if you guys are new here. If you are coming back to the channel, just found my channel, wherever you're at when you meet me, hey girl, hey, I'm glad you found me. Make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you can see more of me, more of my vlogs, more of my life. I am getting back into the groove of things of being more consistent and just overall just doing things that I love to do. And talking to you guys is one of them, and I need to get back to that. I kind of lost myself, lost my routine of things, lost doing what I needed to do for me and things that I enjoyed when I had baby boy. You know, it takes a lot to raise kids, not mentioning raising a newborn and then having 3 other kids to see about and other family members to worry about and do things for as well. So it's just been a lot. So yeah, get back to doing things I love, y'all. I'm on TikTok, excuse me, sharing with you guys my pumping journey. I'm on there as Pumping Mama of 4. So if you're watching this as a new mom, pregnant mom, definitely go follow my page on TikTok so that you will get that content. It's all about pumping, my pumping journey, things that I use, things that have helped me be more successful at pumping. Yeah, so y'all go follow that page. I do have a personal page, which is Ashley Brianca. Sorry about the lighting, y'all. Which is Ashley Brianca, the same as this YouTube page. I'm not as consistent on that page either as I should be. I am consistent on the pumping page though. I will tell you guys that I am consistent over there. So follow both of them, please. And because I just want to grow both of those accounts as well as this channel. But yeah, y'all, just do things for you sometimes, even if others don't want to be involved, even if others don't feel your same sentiment about it. Do it for you. Do it because you want to do it. You spend so much time, especially us as mothers, we spend so much time trying to please everyone else, or we sometimes let ourselves go and lose ourselves. But it's time to regain what we love to do back. It's time to bring it on back. So yeah, speaking of doing things for yourself, I am currently in the car by myself. No kids, no other family members, nobody except me. And I'm riding to go and return some things and look around in some stores, because that's just something that I want to do. So if nobody else wants to, they don't have to. But I'm going to start getting back to me, doing things that I love to do, even if others don't want to join me. That is okay. I will go by myself. I am good by myself. And that is exactly what I'm doing, y'all. So we're headed to go to Ross. I have 2 pairs of pants that, y'all, I thought that truck was coming over here. You better get his life, little swift truck. Anyways, I have 2 pair of pants that I originally bought to potentially wear on vacation. And when we went on vacation, I did not pack them, because honestly I wasn't too fond of them when I bought them, but it was just at the time of me just trying to cram everything that I needed to get done, and packing was one of them. And I was like, these would be easy, comfy to wear, let me just grab them. And that's what I did. So now that the dust has settled, vacation's over, I'm back. I don't want those pants. They still have the tags on them, never been worn, and they really just gonna sit in my house. I would rather exchange them for some work clothes that I would actually enjoy wearing to work. So that's what I'm going up here to do and find. It's gonna be a lot easier because I don't have the kids with me. I don't have anybody rushing me. I don't have nobody but myself. So this is actually gonna be different, but yet fulfilling, because I can shop at ease without nobody complaining or nobody wanting to leave or nobody wanting anything. So yeah, I'm headed to do that. Yes, y'all, it's just I don't even know how to put my thoughts in words right now, to be honest with y'all. So I am about to turn on some music and jam my way up this road, singing my heart out up this road until I get there, because that's just something that I like to do to decompress. So I'm about to do that. I'll see y'all in a second. Y'all, I'm low-key mad that I came the wrong way. The stuff I need to take back is Ross. I told y'all that earlier, but I done drove all the way down here to TJ Maxx, not paying attention, talking on the phone, jamming out, and yeah, came the wrong way. So anyways, I guess we're gonna go look in TJ Maxx first and then work our way back to Ross, since it's in the opposite direction. So I'm about to get out, go here and see what I see. I wish I had brought my bigger purse to carry y'all in, but I didn't. So I'm not gonna take y'all. I will check back in with y'all when I get back to let you know if I saw something or not. But y'all a little too big, because my new tripod is very long. And I didn't pack my shorter one. So usually I would just stick y'all in my purse, take y'all out when I need to, show y'all some stuff. But yeah, I don't have a purse. I do have my little waist bag, but of course y'all won't fit in this. Anyways, I'm gonna get out. I'll see y'all when I get back. Outfit of the day. Now I bought all this stuff in the fitting room try on. So let's see if I like any of it. Okay, y'all, this is a no. Like, I ain't finna put my head through that and mess up my makeup and everything. So I'm not even about to try that on. Leggings. They're okay. This could be cute for work. with like a different color top, of course. I don't know. Okay, are these too short? Are they giving too short pants, or are they giving cute flowy anklet pants? Cause I actually like these. Got little butt details on the side. They're kind of cute, but they stop there. What y'all think? No. Got my goodies. Let's go. You guys, so store number 1 down. I spent a good little minute in TJ Maxx. Almost like an hour and a half. Yeah, so now we're gonna actually go to the store that I came up here to go to, which is Ross. So I got a bag full of stuff. Y'all see what I actually bought later on, but I switched up the whole pile from my first pile when I actually went into the fitting room and got stuff for, I can't even talk, and got stuff for my kids. So I did get those orange pants, so we'll see how to style them. If I don't like them, we do have a TJ Maxx where I live, so I can take them back there. They're a good deal anyway, so. But let's go to Ross and see what we can find. So back in the car from Ross, I ended up taking back my pants and getting Amaria some pants. I got her 2 pair of blue jeans and 1 pair of Adidas leggings to go with her Adidas tops that she has just to wear on PE days and stuff like that. So I am done and now I'm hungry and need to figure out what I want to eat. Or do I want to wait till I get back my way? I know I want a matcha. So I think I'm gonna go get me a matcha, and then I may wait to go and get something to eat when I'm back in town. But let's go get a matcha first. I done found a plug. Dunkin', yes. My girls up in this Dunkin' are straight. I rock with them. Just let y'all know they hooked me up. I ain't giving y'all the details on the location, but they hooked your girl up. So next time I'm in the area, I'll definitely be going back to Dunkin'. But what I do need to figure out is what I want to eat. That's what I need to figure out.
Send me your location, I just need the time and place to come through. Sure did need to pump. It's 5:17 and your girl needed to pump. I have not pumped since this morning and it's just time to pump again. So I'm pumping. I need to check and make sure they're not full while I'm sitting here, but I don't know what I want to eat, y'all. Like, I kind of want this big old huge burrito that me and my husband got when we were here one time. It was like humongous. I think I want that again, so I think I'm about to go in here and get it. But then again, I kind of want Chipotle. The decision. I'm about to go home. Let my seat up, y'all. I'm about to go home. Put this milk up and then figure out what I want to go eat. Bae might be hungry, and yeah, that's what we're about to do because we're about 15 minutes away from home.
So that'll give me enough time to finish pumping instead of me sitting right here. And then I really be hungry because I'm not that hungry because I just drank big old large matcha. Although it was buzz, it kind of got me full. So that'll give me time to let that digest, finish pumping fully, see if bae's hungry, and then we can go get something to eat. And then it'll be time for me to pick up Mia from practice at 6:30. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. All right, y'all, so I got my rider with me, my boy. Yes, y'all, so I made it back home. And hubby actually went and got some stuff that he's about to get ready to cook. So we're just gonna see what he has. I'm now headed to go pick up Amaria from cheer practice. And yeah, so we're just gonna eat what he has. I ended up deciding that I was gonna get Longhorn. So if he got some steaks, your girl finna be too happy, because when I did glance in there, it looked like some steaks. So I don't know. But whatever the case may be, if it's something on the grill, that's finna bust. So I'm gonna be happy no matter what. So yeah, that's what we're doing now. I just want to let y'all know that I made it back home. And yeah, that's probably gonna wrap up this vlog. So let me go ahead and close it out. Thank you guys for watching thus far. If you haven't already, hit the like button. Definitely do it. Y'all hear baby boy back there telling y'all to hit the like button. So definitely hit the like button. I hope you guys enjoyed my day out and about. Hopefully we get more days like this, because it was great. It was great feeling. I did try on some stuff in Ross too, but I did not record any footage for y'all. But yeah, it was a day of good try on and good shopping without any interruptions, so I enjoyed it. But yeah, y'all, so we about to pick her up, eat dinner, and chill for the rest of the night. So I will see y'all in the next vlog. Bye, y'all. Thank you for watching.
30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit.